When in pursuit of power, one must be able to see the big picture. But also pay attention to detail. True power will show you what others cannot see. True power will make itself evident to you and to others. The pursuit may go on around the clock, but the power pushes you to work against it. And to truly pursue power, one must look for it in the calm before the storm. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. The pursuit of power.
Working with the shadows, echoes flowing, colors glowing, dreaming away in the diamond sky.
Welcome to Flaunt Your Nights with Oppo F19 Pro Series Music Event. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Oppo F19 Pro Plus, this beauty will allow you to truly flaunt your nights.
AI highlight portrait video. This feature makes it so easy to create clear and bright videos in low light situations.
Oppo F19 Pro Plus comes with a 50-watt flash charge. With just 5 minutes of charge, you can watch videos for 3.5 hours. The stunning Oppo F19 Pro Plus has smart 5G beyond speed. It comes in 2 elegant color options, fluid black and space silver. Oppo F19 Pro Plus 8 Plus 128GB is priced at 25,990. The all-new Oppo Band. Here are some exciting offers for you.
More pixels for better clarity. More pixels for cinematic portrait. More pixels, yet lighter and slimmer. More pixels to capture the night. Presenting Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro. Capture infinity with 108 megapixel camera. Realme, dare to leap.